So, as I promised, man, I screen recorded last night. Market just opened up Monday, and I had a fresh 500K account. Because a lot of people ask me, how long does it take for it to pass the larger accounts? So I screen recorded the whole video, and I'm about to show y'all how I was able to make over $40,000 worth of profit on the phase one account in less than 2 hours, man. I did it in exactly an hour and 30 minutes, man. And make sure that y'all go to the bio below. Oh, yeah. First and foremost, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so y'all can get the notifications as I drop them. So, like I said, man, make sure that y'all go to the bio. Y'all gonna see a link to the Telegram channel, which is this one right here. And then this group chat, hold on, I'm in my wrong one, sorry. But in this group chat right here where it's gonna bring you to, right now we have 31 different members, 31 members in the group. But as you're gonna be able to see, man, like this guy, he said phase one target hit at 8:52 a.m. He was already having about he had already had about $6,500 worth of product. $6,500 worth of profit already in the beginning. Whenever he had woke up, we had another guy. He signed up last night. He dropped it also as well. Because the first group I had set it up wrong, so a lot of people wasn't able to actually share their testimonials because I was the only person who was an admin. But we got that straightened out. So just make sure that y'all join the community, so you can not only see me winning, but you can also see my clients winning. All right. So let's just dive straight into the video. So, like I said, as y'all can see, we starting out, man. It's 1:40 a.m. If y'all want to, you can really just go ahead, round it up to about 2 in the morning. But I screen recorded last night so we could catch it. So let's go ahead and get the video started. How y'all gonna be able to see how I was able to make that much profit in an hour and a half, guys. So as y'all can see, man, it started at 1:40. We're already 2 minutes in. We up already close to $3,800. All right, let's get to it, man. I hope y'all excited, man. I'm excited too, man. I can't wait to pass your phase for you as well. All right. I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit more. See, we got another trade right here. Like I say, man, this bot is just gonna be able to get you in and out, like quickly, in and out these trades. There go another one right there, 5,500. Already up. You can say 20 minutes if you want, or like me, like I said, man, I started it at about 2 o'clock because that's whenever the bot just started going crazy, man. Started going crazy like right at 2 in the morning. All right. Fast forward a little bit more for y'all. So I'm gonna start it right here at 3 o'clock. So we already 1 hour in. And as y'all can see, we already up $9,000. All right. All right, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all, we already up almost 11,000, man. An hour and 10 minutes into the challenge. Let's go. Already up 12,000. Can't make this up, man. This is live results, man. Y'all see the timer at the top left. Like I said, of course I got it playing fast because this was a 5-hour video. Because like I said, it started at 1, and then I didn't wake up till about 6. So we already up $12,000. And we are an hour and 15 minutes into this, y'all. Bot going crazy, y'all. Right at the beginning, right at 3 a.m., right at the top of London session, y'all. Right at the top of London. If you trade, then you know what London session is. You see what I'm saying? Bot going bananas. Bot is going bananas. Just an hour and 20 minutes into the video, into the trading bot, and we already $34,000 in profit, man. I'm so excited I can't even get my words together. All right. 3 hours and 24 minutes into the video, y'all, man. We already, I said 3 hours, man. Like I said, man, I can't even get my words together. An hour and 25 minutes into this, man, and we already at $38,000 in profit, y'all. Can't make this up. Can't make this up at all. There we go. An hour and 28 minutes. Bot started at 2 o'clock. It already done beat the phase. And y'all can see, man, it's still going crazy. You know, an hour and 30 minutes, man, past your phase one. And then you got to make the little dummy trades. This client in particular, because I just got his account last night. But this client in particular, now he just got to do a 0.01 trade for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's going to be his 5 trading days. And then he on the phase 2 on his way to becoming a funded trader, y'all. You know, everybody have a winning strategy, but like I said, it's the pressure of having to be able to complete it within that amount of time that forces people to want to over leverage. People feel like they're getting behind schedule. They feel like they're getting off track. Then they over leverage their account. Then they mess their accounts up, and then you're starting to phase over. Man, I'm here to take that stress off of you. You know, just make sure you join that Telegram, and then we're gonna run this thing up to the top. Y'all see it. And then let me fast forward it a little bit so that way y'all can see, man, this is a real phase 1 account. I just passed for a client. Yeah, he probably still sleep right now because it's 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm not sure what time zone he in, but whenever he wakes up, he's gonna be in that same Telegram, man. And I want everybody to join the channel and say, man, you joined from YouTube, man. Let me know where y'all joining from. Let me know, man. Keep me motivated to keep giving y'all this information. All right, first class Forex fund phase 1. Y'all see it? $41,875, man. Complete phase 1 in an hour and 30 minutes, man. This bot is unbelievable. You know what I'm saying? It's killing it, man. It's killing it. So yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all join, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe so y'all can stay up to date. And I'm going to see y'all again in the morning with some more challenges that I complete. All right, let's go.